Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and making the paste while you work on the top of the wall. First, clear the area and lay a drop cloth. Once done, measure the wall height and cut the first strip with 5-10 cm extra. Next, mix adhesive per the label. Use the correct ratio and let it rest about 10 minutes so the binder activates. Apply paste evenly to the paper or wall depending on the wallpaper type and smooth out large bubbles with a brush. Now you hang the first and subsequent strips, focusing on alignment and pattern matching. Start at your plumb line. Butt the first edge to the line so subsequent strips remain straight. Once a strip is up, smooth from the center outward to force air and paste toward the edges. Use a seam roller gently on seams. Match the pattern at the top before unrolling the rest of the length, then trim excess at ceiling and base with a sharp blade. Finish by trimming and inspecting every seam, and then let the installation cure. Run a straight edge and sharp blade along ceiling lines, tuck edges behind trim or baseboard, and press seams with a roller to seal them. Once done, ventilate the room and allow 24 to 48 hours to dry so adhesive bonds fully. If you spot bubbles or lifting, puncture a tiny hole, squeeze paste toward the hole, smooth and re-roll. For persistent lifts, remove and rehang that strip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.